appearance in the Championship 4 with 3 wins this season. Driving for GMS Racing in the number 23 Champion Power Equipment Chevrolet, Grant Enfinger. Your 2021 NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series champion is making his 3rd consecutive Championship 4 appearance. Driving the number 99 Kubota Ford for Thor Sport Racing, make some noise for Ben Rhodes. His win in Homestead, Miami locks him into the championship race here today. Driving for East Motorsports in the number 42 Worldwide Express Chevrolet, give it up for Carson Hocevar. He is your 2023 NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series regular season champion. Making his Championship 4 debut, driving the number 11 Safe Light Toyota for Tricon Garage, let's hear it for Corey Heim. The trucks are gridded, the field is set, and the countdown is on for the start of the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series Championship race right here at Phoenix Raceway.